Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Etsy Connector. Making use of this extension would allow the store owner to synchronize hundreds of products, categories and orders from the Etsy store to his OpenCart web store. Apart from this, the store owner can also import products from Etsy and can also export products to Etsy. The admin can also map the various categories that are present at the Etsy with the categories that are present within the OpenCart web store. So let's get ahead and let's see how this extension works. But before that, we'll be going ahead and we'll be checking the backend configuration of this extension. So for that, we'll be going ahead and we'll be logging into the admin backend panel. So let's go ahead and let's log into the admin backend panel. And here we'll navigate to extensions, modules, and here we have the Webpool Etsy connector, and we'll just click on the edit button. Now here we have a number of settings are there. The very first one you can see here is the general settings. The second one is the order options. The third one is the product options. And the last one is the real-time update settings. So we'll just go through each of these settings one by one. So the very first option that we have here is the status of this extension. So you can enable or disable the extension from here by choosing the enabled or disabled option as per your requirement. Now under the general settings, the admin will enter the OAuth consumer key and the OAuth consumer secret that is received after registering as a seller and creating the app at the Etsy end. After that, we have the order options. Here we have two options. The very first one is default store for Etsy order sync. So here the admin will select the default store in OpenCart for synchronizing orders from Etsy. Also, the admin will be able to select the imported order status of the Etsy imported orders. So here you can also select any of the status that you'd like to set for the orders that have been imported into the OpenCart web store. After that, we have the product options, and here the admin will select the default store where the products synced from the Etsy to the OpenCart store would be assigned. The admin can also set up the Etsy product variation name as option name for the OpenCart store. So you can set up the Etsy product variation text that would be visible under the options in the backend. And the very last one is the real-time update settings, and here we have also two options. So here the admin can enable or disable the option to update the products on Etsy store that are imported from Etsy store to the OpenCart store. So that was the very first option for that. The second option, so here also the admin can enable or disable this option to update the products on Etsy store that are exported from the OpenCart store to the Etsy store. So that was all about the main four configuration settings that are there. After configuring all of these settings and selecting the status as enabled, you just need to save the configuration settings. So that was all about the admin backend configuration for this extension, that's the OpenCart Etsy connector. So let's see what options does the admin get after the extension has been installed and the configuration settings have been done. So I'll just take you to the left hand side menu of the admin backend panel, and here you can see Etsy connector, and here we have two main sub menu options. The very first one is the account manager and the other one is the category mapping. So we just need to map the Etsy categories with the OpenCart web store categories so that the products can be synchronized thereafter. And we just need to add an Etsy account as well. Thanks for watching the video. and hope it helped you out. If you have any query or questions regarding this extension, you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. Also, you can subscribe to our channel so as to get all the updated content into your inbox. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day ahead.